apps affairs show you.
Unhide notes in Instagram. So if you're hidden or muted someone notes and now you want to unhide or unmute the user notes to see their notes again, here's how to do it. Go to your profile and tap on this menu icon. Tap on settings and privacy. Under what you see section, tap on muted accounts. And here you will find all of your mute or hidden accounts. So as you can see, I muted these accounts notes. Now to unhide notes for this account, I'm going to tapping on unmute and now disable mute notes option to unmute or unhide this account note. That's how you'll be able to unhide or unmute someone notes. And now if you want to unhide your note from someone, here's how to do it. Let's create a new note first. And now tap on share with, and to unhide your notes from someone, here you have to select followers and you follow back and then tap on done. And now on, whenever you share your note, all of your followers and you follow back will be able to view the note. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.